Hey everyone! I'm going to introduce you to Dmail, a new kind of email service. Unlike traditional email like Gmail or Outlook, Dmail is a Web3 mailbox. This means you log in using your Web3 wallets on a number of different blockchains, such as EVM, wallets, SUA, or even Starknet, instead of a standard username and password. So, what's the advantage of Dmail? Well, your messages are stored on the blockchain, making it a secure and decentralized option. There's a small transaction fee for each message you send. The big plus is that you own your inbox since it's linked to your crypto wallet. Connecting your wallet essentially makes it your Dmail address. Also, using Dmail on Ethereum Layer 2s can build your transaction history, which might help you qualify for airdrops. For example, if you're trying to get airdrops from ZK-Sync, Scroll, or Linea, sending messages with Dmail on those networks can create on-chain transactions and potentially increase your chances. To get started, you simply go to the Dmail application and connect your Web3 wallet, like my OKX here. After signing in, this is what the inbox looks like. Up here where your wallet is connected, you can switch between different networks using this drop-down menu. You can send messages on the Ethereum mainnet, but those transactions will be quite costly. Layer 2 networks are much more affordable. For example, if I want to send a message on the Scroll network to potentially qualify for a Scroll airdrop, I simply select the Scroll network. I confirm the network switch in my wallet, and then the interface becomes very familiar. It's just like any other email application you've used before. You click Compose to create a new message and then choose the recipient. In this case, I'll send a test message to my team members. I'll type test for the message and click send. My wallet will then prompt me to confirm the transaction. As mentioned, each email costs a few cents. In this case, it's 4 cents. I'll confirm in my wallet and the message will be sent. There we go. The email is sent and now appears in my sent messages folder. This means I've completed another on-chain transaction on the BSC network. And remember, when you're sending messages, paste wallet addresses right here in the search bar. Thank you for viewing this introduction to Dmail. I look forward to presenting additional Dmail functionalities in upcoming videos.